Hey everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to randomize the item drops that are spawned into the game with Python and the Blender game engine. And I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's double click the A button until everything is selected and hit X and delete. And let's do spacebar and then add a empty object. This empty object is what we're going to be using to spawn our objects in. Alright, I'm going to rename this empty object as spawn point. Alright. And what we're going to do is go into layer 2 right here, so click where my mouse is. And let's do spacebar and then add a cube. This first cube we're going to add, I'm going to give it a blue coloring, like so. And I'm going to rename this cube as blue. Alright, I'm going to hit Shift and D to copy it, drag this one up, rename this cube as red, and let's click right here. And let's give this, let's minus the material on this new one and hit new. And let's give this a red material. Or, well, that's not really red. Red right here. Okay. Huh. That's strange. Oh, diffuse right here. Sorry, this is going to be red. And let's do Shift and D to copy this cube again. And this third cube we're going to create, we're just going to call yellow. So I'm going to click right here. And let's see yellow like this. Click on the materials tab, hit this minus sign, hit new, and let's give this a yellow texture. Alright, so we've now got red, yellow, red, and blue. Let's go back into our main scene, or in layer 1, and let's right click on this empty object and go from defaults to game logic and from Blender render to Blender game. And what we're going to do is on this empty object, I'm going to have an always sensor with a frequency of, let's say, 60. And I'm going to connect this to a Python controller like this. And what we're going to do is do templates, Python, and then game logic simple. Drag this portion out right here and delete the portion I've highlighted. Hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. And I'm going to rename this as scripts.py. And let's add this right here. Now, because we're going to be randomizing stuff, let's import random like this. So import random. And what we're going to need is we're going to need a list of the names of the objects in our alternate layer. So I'm going to do item list is going to equal a list like this. And since we've got 3 different names, I'm going to do 3 different strings. The first one is going to be blue, then we've got red, and then we've got yellow. Alright, now that we have this, every time this function is going to run, we need to randomly choose one. So I'm going to do item choice is going to equal a random.choice of item list. So it's going to randomly choose one of those 3 items. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do scene.addObject. And then we're going to say we want the object to spawn at own, which is going to be our player's or our empty object's position. We want it to spawn item choice. And we want to spawn it for a time of, let's say, 30. But because we have to add this into the scene, we need to define the scene. So I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to define scene is going to equal bg.logic.getCurrentScene, like this. And we should see that if I were to hit P, it's going to not, something's going on right here. Let me check. First argument must be, oh, these are just backwards, sorry. So item choice comes first, and then own. So the object you want to spawn, then where you want to spawn it at. So if we hit P, red will spawn, then yellow, then blue, yellow, blue, 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 blue. It's really choosing blue a lot. Yellow again. Alright, so yeah, this is how it's just working. It's randomly choosing one of those 3 objects that we added, except not really much in the way of red. I'm still waiting for it. There we go, there's red. Alright guys, so that's how you randomly spawn an object with Python and the BGE, and I hope you guys find this very useful. Here's the script just for one more second, and there you go.